So, good morning. Once again, let me invite you all for this video session. So, today, how to make a life? That's the topic that I am going to address. Normally, as an experienced person, I have come across a lot of ups and downs. So, based on the experience, how I am looking after this life. That means what I can give for a person which will be more helpful to him to carry out his life. So normally, if you see, as we are brought up by our parents, in general, the attitude or character of a human will be based on genetical inheritance and the social or the environmental parameters which are making an impact, which is making a great impact. So the attitude or character or a personality of a particular person will be based on these two parameters. One is genetical inheritance, that means inborn characters, where we are inherited from our forefathers or our parents. And the second one is there is the social environmental factors. These are the two things probably making a great role in our life. So normally, how to make a skillful person, or how to become a great person who is enough brave to face out the things whatever we are having in our life, whatever come across in our life. That is, you see, often when a person who is quite very weak, either he is weak or strong, that will be completely based on the way which he is brought up by his parents and by his school educational system, that means environmental system. So here, one thing I want to address, this is a few suggestions for the parents too. Be maximum build up your students or bring your students with a courage person and train up them or make them to experience or make them to face the things quite bravely with a full courage more. That is more and more important. Courage is what I have seen in my life is the courage is the most important to succeed in the life. Once a man is of fear of thought, he will be quite very weak in nature. So normally when you are quite very weak in nature, there can't be a good ideas or good thoughts in his mind. If you want to be a strong enough, that means if you want to have a good thoughts, definitely you need to have a strong mind. How will you build a strong mind? That is the next question. So unless and otherwise, if you are not having a good physique, you are not having a strong mind. A good body can make a strong mind. That is the real fact. That is the universal fact. We know well, isn't it? So you need to have a good physique right from the beginning in your early age itself. Parents should make their words to concentrate, either their son or daughter to concentrate in their health. So health is closely associated with some physical activities and moreover the food, nutrition oriented food. That means nowadays as it is coming quite very rare in our childhood, and we were not faced with such kind of nutrified foods. So that means we had a life with the nature, but now it is not so. Everything are artificial. Everything is coming artificial. Quite very people are coming more and more artificial, and things are made up of artificially. So everything you need to depend on the artificial things. So here comes a question of whether we are having a healthy food or not. Even the malnutrition, we are behind the index of global malnutrition index. So there is another thing, because as we are a growing country and moreover we are having huge population, we are the people of having more than 140 crore populations. Feeding such a population is not an easy thing, because So to meet out those things and political struggles, a lot of things are there. Even economical struggle, political struggle, climatic struggle, all these things, putting all these things together and then making a constructive or strong society is not an easy thing. The policy making and implementation sector, there is another problem where we are lagging to address those things. Implementation means we need to have a supply chain. Even if you want to have a proper food mechanism in the society or in our country, we need to have a supply chain. Still now we are struggling with the supply chain. We couldn't be able to meet up the things in a quite very shortly with the entire mosque. That is another problem where we are facing. So in order to address all those things, it will take too much of time for our society to succeed all those things. But the contribution of each and every human is more and more important. Once we are we are doing more or we are contributing a lot, the government will be quite very it will be quite easy for them to do the things. So there is the another case. So try to come over here. So the good strong mind, how will you make the parents should want to train their either daughter or son to have a strong physique first by giving a nutrition oriented food or timing. That is more and more important. When you are having the food, the time is more important. So once when the body is needed, when an organ is needed something, we should want to feed. We should not feed the things when there is no need for it. But probably most of us are doing. This is also a way of spoiling our health actually. So if you want to have a good health, if you want to feed the food in a proper time when there is a need by your body. So that is more, and plenty of water has to be taken by a particular person to keep them quite very young and energetic. And physical activities, that is more and more important. Often you want to do more physical activities. Nowadays we are getting into a sedentary life. That means we are not making too much of movements, even inside our house or outside, wherever we are sitting and going through the electronic gadget and not do too much of physical activities. In our childhood, we had a lot of physical activities. Even after the hour of school, we used to engage in our. So those are the things where we had in our childhood. But now it is not the case. So too much of activity is needed to have a good physics. Once you are having a good physics, you can have a sound mind. After getting the sound mind, you will be able to focus to the thing where you want to reach. That is, so the parents, this is the major important role of the parents and the teachers to train or to bring a person in the society as a model role, or in order to bring a good personality to the society, or in order to give a good personality or a good human to the society. These are the things a parents and teachers should want to follow with a human. That is more and more important. Unless and otherwise, if you are not following this kind of things, we can't be able to bring a good individual. That is, so if an individual wants to become more and more focused or more and more good personality for the society, because bringing more and more good people to the society will make this entire world quite very peace, in a peaceful structure. Am I correct? So that is more and more important. Normally we forget all these things. Few of the peoples will be able to go with these things, and they would be achieving the target, or they will be reaching their goal and bringing as a good model role or a leader, just like that, and later on exploiting the resources. Those are the things that normally used to happen. So what I want to say is so good sound mind you need to have, and a good physique. When both were having for your son or daughter, they would be able to focus to the target or the goal. So the goal has to be the parents or teachers has to guide, but the individual has to set the goal, because their desire differs from person to person. Some may be fond of sports, some may be fond of education, some may be fond of research area. So it depends from person to person. The goal has to be set by the particular individuality, and you want to make the awareness, that is more and more important. And timely work is more and more important as an individual. If you want to succeed in it, and brave, if you want, if you are having a good physique and a good mental health, you will be quite very focused in your task or activities. So that will bring a lot of achievements in your life, and you will not be deviated in the wrong track. Even if some area you will be distracted by your atmosphere or the friend network, you will be instantly or immediately you will be coming back to your the things what you have to do. So that is the normal thing. So these are the things where you have to focus, but the courage is more important. And individually, either a boy or girl, he needs to build his life on his own. So a lot of, once you are having a good quality educations, you can search for a job and start by your own leg, and then form a family, then make a family, and it will be more lovely, and you will be getting a more happy. You will be the happiest man in this family once you are economically viable, and once you are educationally viable. And these are the things. By having the education, you can meet out the needs what you have. So you want to become independent from the parent, economically and in your thoughts too. But at the same time, you have to say emotionally attached with your parents. That is more and more important. So once we are having all these things properly in your life, all along your life, it will be quite very more and more easy for you to resolve the problems. And the life will be fully of problem free. That is the thing what I want to say. So quite be courage, be have a good physique and a strong mind, and face the things whatever coming across you, and try to find out the solution for the problems in front of you. Definitely, if there is a problem, definitely a solution will be there. Continuously, if you are putting effort to resolve the problems, the solution will be there. If you are escaping from there, it will be coming behind you, and you will be troubled with a great problem in due course. That is the thing. So simply, these are the simple logic where we want to sort out in our life. Our life will be more and more happy, and we have a healthy life, both physically and mentally. Good luck.